We do not only ship to commercial locations, we can ship to residential locations, but please be advised that the crates that we ship them in are a little heavier, so if you do not have access to a forklift, please let us know and we will make arrangements for a liftgate service. The table is not shipped fully assembled. There are some components that are assembled for you, but the main frame is disassembled. Your linear guides, your gantry, and your Z-axis, all of that is pre-assembled for you, and you'll receive it assembled. So all you have to do when you receive your table is bolt up your frame, mount your linear guides, mount your gantry, and you're up and running. Typical assembly time is about 2 to 3 hours for 2 people. You can always come to our facility in Vegas and pick up your table. Additionally, if you wanted to, at the same time, you can take training classes while you're here in our facility.